Good morning, day traders, and welcome to Market Minute, a hedge fund trader's technical analysis of today's stock market. It's February 17th, 2022. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. All right, let's get after it. So SPY's giving us kind of a nothing open here this morning, right? Small gap down after yesterday's low volume, indecisive day, right? Fake out to the upside, fake out to the downside. So looking for a breakout over this 448.40 or under this 441.60. Any move needs to be supported with high volume and has quite a bit of room up towards that, say, 451, right? 452 area or down towards the 430s. Right, QQQ giving us a similar setup here on increasing daily volume. That's still well below average. We're not going to put too much stock into this yet, but it requires a bullish bias going forward. Right, looking for breakouts over this 357.20, right towards that 360 area. Bear case can happen, but we need a lot of work before we get down towards that 340 area. Apple, similar story here as QQQ, but decreasing daily volume. So we have a slightly easier case to make breakdowns here to the downside, but we still want to see something that invalidates this January 28th candle before we have confidence that bears are in control. So bullish bias here as long as that stays valid. And we're looking for breakouts over that 173.20 towards that 175, right? 176, 178 area. Tesla giving us a really similar setup again, right? Low vol pullback, kind of green hammer here, small little gap down. So looking for breakouts over that 935 zone towards that 950 for moves then eventually towards that 982. Above that 950, we're going to move $10 at a time. Could look for breakdowns under this 893, right, 890 zone as a volume divergence play, but I still think the easiest bearish setup happens under that 850 area. Microsoft giving us a more bullish than bearish setup here, right? Similar volume profile to QQQ, right? Similar look. So we're looking for a breakout over this 301.50 for a move towards that 303, 305, right? 307 area. Can look for bearish breakdowns under that 293.20, but we need a high volume rejection at that spot. AMD, right, giving us a relatively low vol pullback here yesterday and now needs to break out over that 122. We need to have a bullish bias here as long as this trend line holds, and we can look for breakdowns under this 111, but I need to have a bullish bias here this AM. And then NVDA, right after yesterday's earnings, we must have a bullish bias here. They had a slight beat, but maybe disappointing the street a little bit that they didn't just blow it out of the water. We'd like to see this thing break out over 270 or right on this dip, look for Bollinger Band opportunities to kind of buy off of that bottom band. So that's how I plan on dominating today's action. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. If you want to follow my day trades live, you can start your free risk-free trial at dtrtrading.com. Have yourselves a great day, guys, and happy hunting.